How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. The market's falling, and I just made a video a few hours ago talking about most of the news in the market, but I wanted to give an update because we just heard that one of Elon Musk's companies sold a significant amount of Bitcoin. I want to talk about that, talk about what is happening in the market, what we should be paying attention to, what levels we should be watching. If you want to trade this, if you want to make money from the market falling down, you can check out the link to BitGet underneath the video. And if you want to know what I'm doing, you can check out the link to the Patreon. Now, again, hit subscribe, turn that bell notification. Watch that last video that I posted too, because I talk about a lot of what I'm about to talk about in that video. And hit the bell notification so that way you see this a little bit earlier next time. Bitcoin is going down to $26,278. We were up $3,000 from where we are now just a day or two ago. So we're down 9.3% right now. The whole market's down significantly. Ethereum's down 10.8%. XRP is down 16%. Doge is down 12%. Shiba is down 15%. Everything's down significantly right now. And there are a couple different reasons for that. Let's go through the first one. Elon Musk, SpaceX, sold all of its $373 million worth of Bitcoin. This is coming from Wall Street Journal. I saw it about an hour ago, but I didn't see a source. Now it shows it's coming from Wall Street Journal. Now, I will say there are a variety of reasons to sell. They could be raising capital. They could be trying to pay back loans. They could be doing all kinds of different stuff. They could be buying back private shares. There's only one reason to buy, and there are a lot of different reasons to sell. I will say Tesla also held their Bitcoin the last quarter. So it's not like Elon Musk is necessarily super bearish on cryptocurrency. It's just that they sold in one of the businesses. This still is negative news. So it's still not something you want to see. Shows maybe there's some reason for concern, or Elon maybe thought that they needed the money for something else instead of holding in Bitcoin. Maybe they're not as bullish or whatever reason, right? Maybe they just don't want to hold Bitcoin for some other reason. We don't know, but not too many people like to see this, right? We want to see Elon Musk buying. We want to see other companies, countries, investment firms buying Bitcoin, not selling it. And this is coming at a pretty important time. So you can see here, we saw $818 million of longs liquidated in 24 hours. And in the last 1 hour, $650 million worth of longs liquidated. Just causing a cascade effect, causing the price to fall really quickly. And you can tell just by this chart, right? It's going down slowly. And then as we go on, it accelerates and accelerates and accelerates. Personally, I'm watching this key level around 25,000. So we had seen previous resistance, previous support. We broke this trend line that we've been bouncing against since last December, late last December, early January. Bounced against it twice and then just broke right through. As I said in my last video, I'll be looking for this point around 25,000. I wouldn't be surprised if we kind of bounced around 26 because we had seen some support here in the past. But if we break that, I would expect 25,000. If not that, then, we could go further down, and you can point out all different kinds of levels here. Maybe 21,500 because we had seen previous resistance, previous support. But first, I think we just need to hit this 25,000 mark. Now, maybe we don't hit it. Like I said, maybe we bounce right back up, break above this line. It's hard to know, but overall, I think there are a variety of other reasons too that played into this drop, which I talked about in my last video. If you didn't already watch that video, I'll put it here on the end screen. I would highly suggest it. Overall, though, we're going to be okay. Like I said in the last video, if you are a buyer of cryptocurrency, if you believe in crypto, if you want to invest in crypto, this is great for you. If you're someone that wants to sell your bags for US dollars, well, then it's not the greatest thing, at least in the short term. But again, if you are like most of us out here, we're trying to invest, get wealthy over long term. I think this is a good, healthy thing for the market. We are still just as close to the next halving. We are just moving up on the 200 weekly moving average. We are still hitting all-time highs in hash rate. We still have BlackRock coming in. We still have other entities buying. So many bullish things, but there's going to be bearish things happening too. At least bearish price action. We're not only going to move up, we're going to have a lot of turbulence in the pre-halving year. This is not the mega bull run where we only move up. This is a time where there's some good news, there's some bad news. You can see people positioning. You can see some price action that's back and forth. Maybe something else comes out. Maybe there's some kind of liquidation. Maybe some exchange blows up. So just be careful out there. Make sure that you have the majority of your crypto, 99+%, on cold storage. There's a link down there to Trezor. If you want to trade, though, there's a link down there to BITGET. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. And I will see you in the next video. That's right.